some cereal, blueberries, and oats. A mix of oat and soy milk. Yep. Going in. It's pretty milky. Gonna have to add more cereal. Gonna have to add more cereal. Banging. I'm gonna add some more oats and some groats for the goat. Crunchy groats. Eat to live, you know what I'm saying? Get yourself something good to eat. Oh, the sun's coming out. It's kind of raining. That's what it's like here. Kind of rainy in the morning. It clears up in the afternoon. Feel like it might start raining now. I'm talking. Really good. Hold up. Inchworm trying to climb up. Getting blown around in the wind like that. It's way out there now. I don't know if I got any footage of that inchworm floating around in the breeze. If he comes back over here, I'll try to get a shot. It's what I know you vegans love. Footage of animals. Just getting a quick snack in the morning. Already had a bagel and hummus. It's getting windy. This inchworm is just inching his way closer to my face. Butterfly just flew by. Maybe I should be showing you guys that stuff instead of me sitting here chewing cereal. You might be asking yourself, what's the point of this guy's channel? Guess we'll figure that out. So yeah, well, I'm eating different. No meat, no dairy. It's one of the things about this channel. Gonna be out here filming some nature whenever chance I can get. It's another thing about this channel. Nature. Food and nature. And me. I don't know if you know who I am. Because I don't. If you do, let me know. Leave a comment down below if you know who the heck I am. Well, it's spring, so hopefully there'll be a lot of stuff coming in. Some new plants. We're gonna have to put some stuff in the ground and see what comes up from last year. Just chilling up here in Cuddy, California, you know what I'm saying?